Baru kali ini aku lihat konser semegah ini pertama kali, dan artis terkenal ya, sangat legend. Hello, hi! I'm so excited. We're gonna watch Queen and Adam Lambert concert
in Sydney. Waddy's all excited. She's taken forever to get ready as per usual. And look what's behind us. Looks like the storm's coming in. Anyway, we'll see you inside at the concert. Okay, we're lined up in the queue. Say hello, Waddy. Oh, stop being so quiet. You're so loud all the rest of the time. Big storm coming in the distance. Hopefully it holds off. So we're outside. Waddy's tried to get lost 3 or 4 times already. She's not listening when I call for her. Oh my god, I hope this isn't our line. The lines are so friggin' huge. Yeah, lucky we came in when we did. What the heck? What's happening?
Big London storm.
And?
We're gonna watch our favorite group music, Queen, and Adam Lambert. We're gonna
Rock out with our socks out.
Shout out loud.
Oh my goodness. She pretends she's shy because the camera's on, but she...
Baru kali ini aku lihat konser semegah ini pertama kali, dan artis terkenal ya, sangat legend. Semua orang mengikuti lagu-lagunya. Aku kan yang tahu cuma yang di Bohemian Rhapsody filmnya aja, yang lain enggak.
Shake it, baby.
Teman-teman semuanya, terima kasih udah nonton video saya sampai habis. Jangan lupa like, komen, dan subscribe YouTube channel saya biar saya tambah semangat buat videonya ya teman-teman. Terima kasih semuanya. Sampurasun.